This is the room in which I'm trying to create a setup. I know, big time mess. This actually last year जब पूरा lockdown था तो my brother made his DIY gym sort of a situation over here. So it's mostly like homemade cemented dumbbells and stuff, which he does not use anymore. So I'm gonna try and convert this room into my setup. इसमें you can see the walls are super dirty. There's no flooring. This is like an under constructed room. This is the area in which I'm trying to create my setup because यहाँ पे खिड़की है तो अच्छी proper sunlight आएगी. I don't have a ring light, so I'll depend upon sunlight, and this is where I think I'll be getting proper light. ये जो यहाँ पे ये चीप रखी हुई है, I actually shifted these two drums. ये दो ड्रम वहाँ पे रखे हुए थे, लेकिन मुझे पता है कि यहाँ पे भी I'll have to take somebody's help to shift a little bit of things outside because यहाँ पे भी I'll need space to keep my stuff, और इनका यहाँ पे रहने का भी कोई मतलब है नहीं अब. तो मुझे पता नहीं कि कैसे क्या होगा. ऊपर में भी कार्डबोर्ड कुछ कुछ रखा हुआ है. द वॉल्स आर नॉट क्लीन, दे आर डर्टी.
Step 1 always is cleaning. I tried to clean the walls और मैंने फर्श पे भी झाड़ू लगाया जहाँ पे मुझे सेटअप बनाना है. This is me and my chachu trying to paint the walls. Or if we be honest, he's doing all the work and I'm just trying to look busy.
So we're done painting the walls. अभी पूरी तरीके से सूखी नहीं है तो फिनिशिंग वैसी दिख नहीं रही है. सफाई आप जितनी भी कर ले, नो मैटर हाउ हार्डली यू क्लीन द वॉल्स, वो फिनिशिंग नहीं आती है. वॉलपेपर्स में आई लुक्ड अप फॉर वॉलपेपर्स, लेकिन दे वर मोर एक्सपेंसिव. सो I was told कि paint would be more affordable for you, so I decided to paint and we're done. I'm quite happy with the white background. अभी this is where we have to make our setup. पहले यहाँ पे एक और बार I think I'll clean up a little bit. My plan is to place a mattress over here. जिस mattress पे बैठ करके I will shoot. ये वाला जो सेक्शन है मैट्रेस के पीछे थोड़ा सा स्पेस छोड़ा हुआ है बिकॉज आई वांट टू कीप अ प्लांट ओवर देयर मैट्रेस के ऊपर, तो आई कांट कीप अ पॉट, पूरा मैट्रेस खराब हो जाएगा.
I decided to take a snake plant from our garden, so I painted the pot of it white since the walls are white. Then I decided to cover the mattress. I personally like plain bed sheets more than the printed bed sheets, so that's what I took. I also wanted to keep something in front of the pot, so I made a stack of old books and I covered it with a beautiful white cloth. On top of it, I decided to keep my vanity box because I really like how classic it looks.
This looks a lot better, definitely, but I still think कि कुछ और करना चाहिए. तो I have a few cassettes. I'm gonna keep them on top of the makeup box.
So I quickly arranged the cassettes and I also added a brass antique on the left hand side.
So this is the final setup. Actually इसे final नहीं कहा जा सकता क्योंकि अगर मुझे लगता है कि कुछ और ऐड किया जा सकता है तो I'll keep adding things, I'll keep adding or changing or reducing elements. यहाँ पे I think मुझे कुछ lights या some poster or something would look nice. और बस अभी कुछ समय के लिए for some videos until I can arrange more things, this is sufficient. ऑल्सो अगर कोई भी ऐसा है जो YouTube शुरू कर रहा है और उसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि कैसे सेटअप बनाया जा सकता है, तो दिस इज लाइक अ बेसिक आइडिया एज टू व्हाट यू कैन डू. बस एक मैट्रेस, एक प्रॉपर बैकग्राउंड, सामने से लाइट, थोड़ा बहुत कुछ डेकोरेटिव आइटम्स विल बी गुड टू गो, विल बी मोर देन सफिशिएंट फॉर यू. और मेरी हालत अभी बहुत ख़राब है, मैंने कुछ मेकअप वेकअप कपड़े वपड़े कुछ भी चेंज नहीं किए हुए। इन माई यूजुअल वीडियोज़ यू सी मी a lot more tidy and a lot more presentable than this, लेकिन अभी पूरा सेटअप करते करते मेरी बिल्कुल ऐसे बहुत हालत ख़राब हो गई। जब तक मैं जाके नहा करके तैयार होंगी तब तक धूप चली जाएगी and I won't be able to shoot. I have to shoot today because I have to announce the winner of the giveaway that I recently did. So I have shortlisted some 25-26 names out of the 100 plus comments that I got on my Instagram post. Based upon the level of the fulfillment of the rules, जिन लोगों ने properly rules को fulfill किया उनके नाम मैंने shortlist किए हैं और मेरे पास यहाँ पर एक बोल में उन सब लोगों के नाम हैं और मैं अभी randomly एक नाम पिक करूँगी। So this is going to be luck based. अभी तक जो लोग यहाँ तक qualify कर पाए वो based upon performance था। Now I'm going to shut my eyes. इसमें बहुत सारे I posted a picture of these chits on my Instagram story. So you have seen that there are different names. सबके नाम मैंने लिखे हुए हैं और ये सारी chits हैं। And I'm going to shut my eyes now and I will randomly select one name. So all the best if you have participated. Oh God, why do I feel nervous? I have not even participated, but for some reason I feel nervous. I don't know who's gonna win. बहुत छोटी चिट्स मैंने बनाई थी इसलिए शायद बहुत कम दिख रही हैं, लेकिन trust me, there are 26 names in it. Oh God. Let's do it. Okay, we have to do it. Let's do it. This is the chit. I'll first show it to you before I see it myself. Okay. Oh my God, who has won? I don't know. सीधी है कि टेढ़ी है? I don't know. शायद फोकस भी नहीं हो रहा होगा। Ishita Kaushal. Oh, okay. Congratulations. So congratulations, Ishita, and thank you so much to everyone who participated. I am gonna wrap now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Suggestions are most welcome. Also, I have a very happening haul coming up on my channel. I'm very excited. I have bought some amazing stuff. This is going to be one of my favorite hauls so far, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be a haul that contains flared jeans, denims. बहुत समय से मुझे इसकी request आ रही थी, so I've finally done it. So this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And suggestions are always welcome on this channel. Feel free to leave any queries or suggestions in the comments below or DM me on my Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I have to run and I have to take a bath. मुझे बहुत गर्मी लग रही है और मैं बिल्कुल धूल है मेरे ऊपर पूरी, तो I basically need to clean myself. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a good time. Bye. Hey, wait. Stay healthy and happy at home and keep your families very healthy and very happy.